Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number EPD1BL. This is a fairly uncommon piece of gasketing. But I'll tell you, I wouldn't hesitate to use this at all. It's a very smart sort of clean, or I wouldn't hesitate to use it maybe not as a standalone piece of weather stripping, but certainly to augment an installation is really where I would end up finally with that statement. This is a door bottom. This is a piece of dual durometer material, you know, a rigid sort of plastic polypropylene material. The bottom down here where the color changes, that's santoprene, a synthetic rubber. Now what this is used for, and it's available in 3-foot and 4-foot lengths, that's it. What this is used for is to go up into the inverted bottom channel of a hollow metal door, is really where this is used. There is an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties of the item. Now, taking study of that is important because you have to make sure this is going to work. Now, it's really intended for use in a common or typical sort of hollow metal door, industry standard type construction, but not every manufacturer has the same height of their inverted bottom channel. So let's take a look. Overall, per that dimension, that drawing, they've got the drawings at 1.25 inches. This piece is coming up a bit shy on that, marginally shy. Thickness 3/4 inch. That's certainly no problem. And that santoprene alone portion, they've got it at 7/16. No, 11/16. Forgive me, 11/16. That makes sense. So you might want to review the height of your inverted bottom channel, knowing that this is about 1.25 inches. Where I would use it, and I've not installed this, but I certainly wouldn't hesitate to. Before I was hanging the doors, and if my math worked out with what the height of the threshold was going to be, I would get some self-drilling screws, probably 4 of them, and I would zip that right into there. I would then use my standard door sweep, or door bottom, you know, drip cap, bristle, neoprene, silicone, polyurethane, a great option. I want to prevent the water at the front line. By the time the water gets under the door, I've lost half the battle. So I would want a seal out here. I might even opt to go with this as an additional protection. Okay, maybe a bump up threshold where you then had a seal on the inside of the door. It is certainly overkill in most instances. There are clients, however, that really tune into that sort of language where you are as smartly as possible. And quite frankly, these are very inexpensive. Just a few dollars a foot, give you that best sort of case scenario. Here in Chicago, it's dreadfully cold, and the more the better when it comes to weather stripping in that sort of condition. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related, not only a fairly atypical door bottom like this, but of course everything door bottom related, perimeter gasketing, thresholds. They make everything under the sun in terms of aluminum, hollow metal, aluminum, stainless steel, architectural bronze, things of that nature. And the list goes on and on from there. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full-line Pemko product catalog and review all things Pemko hardware related, weather stripping related from them. I'm partial to Pemko, and it's because they're a well-oiled machine. Very good customer service, very good technical support, reliable, prompt, predictable lead times in terms of shipping, and if they can bend over backwards for you, they will. Say no more. That's their attitude, and you come to appreciate it. Any questions on the EPD1BL door bottom or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.